Cities are facing new challenges to become healthier, more sustainable, and safer places to citizens to live and work. One of such challenges is to improve urban mobility, for instance, using mobile personal devices together with data science. Mobile personal devices, for instance wearables, smartphones, can provide information that is valuable in understanding mobility and traffic patterns, and enabling new kinds of analytics such as origin-destination flow, detecting heavily frequented transfer areas, estimating parking needs, designing mobility hubs, and promoting sustainable mobility.
However, despite the benefits that may come from harvesting mobility data, tensions are rising due to the perceived risks that the individuals on whom such data are collected. Mobility data, also known as trajectory data, may reveal accurate behavioral patterns in terms of what a particular individual does, when and how long for, allowing an attacker to infer circumstances and trends affecting sensitive aspects of an individual's life, including their health status, religious beliefs, social relationships, and sexual preferences.
Mobilitab is one such application that uses mobile personal data, which is anonymously gathered to predict the mode of transport used by citizens in their multimodal trips through Barcelona and its metropolitan area. The app uses deep learning algorithms from 3 smartphone sensors: accelerometer, magnetometer, and gyroscope, and is being designed in collaboration with the Metropolitan Transport Authority, the ATM of Barcelona. The goal of Mobilitab is to help analyze urban mobility flows and habits, that is, from where to where people move, and where and when transport changes occur. This way, our tool will help the ATM to offer a better public transport service and, at the same time, promote more sustainable urban mobility.
To protect citizens' privacy when they use Mobility app or any other AI service needing mobility data, the Mobilitics project, funded by the Spanish Ministry of Science and Innovation, is developing 3 different technologies for anonymizing trajectory data. We aim to put citizens at the center of protection by investigating local data masking solutions that empower citizens to protect their data locally before sharing them with a data analytics entity. Since this local anonymization approach usually implies high information loss, Mobilitics will also develop centralized data masking algorithms for those cases in which the controller can be trusted to protect the data of all users. Finally, Mobilitics will also contemplate the generation of synthetic trajectory data based on machine learning models.
ANEM is another project whose aim is to develop a modular platform capable of generating synthetic data to be used by applications related to sustainable mobility. The differential aspect developed by the UPC group is that the process of generating synthetic data offers differential privacy, which means that there is a mathematically demonstrable guarantee that it will not be possible to identify those citizens contributing their data to the training set, thus preserving their privacy. ANEM has proved very useful for generating electrical vehicle recharging data and loading and unloading parking data. The Mosaic Factor Company and the EIDOSCAT Foundation have also participated in the project, and Barcelona Serveis Metropolitans provided mobility data from the city of Barcelona.
With the development of all these technologies, we aim to facilitate data sharing and exchange between data controllers in the current regulatory context, thus making more data available to boost and create new AI applications in key areas of urban mobility and many others affecting transport, traffic, and public safety. With more sustainable mobility, our project will contribute to reducing air pollution and environmental impact and help make cities more livable.